Social Security, a name synonymous with retirement security for millions of Americans. Since its inception during the Great Depression, Social Security has provided vital income for retirees, disabled individuals, and families who have lost a breadwinner. Its impact resonates across generations, ensuring financial stability and peace of mind. Built on a promise to safeguard Americans in need, Social Security is crucial to our society. It represents the difference between a comfortable retirement and struggling to make ends meet. However, recent issues with overpayments have raised concerns about financial hardship. As the SSA Recoups Overpayments, understanding the issue and available recourse is crucial. An overpayment occurs when an individual receives more Social Security benefits than they are owed. This can happen due to administrative errors or changes in a beneficiary's circumstances. Overpayments are debts that need to be repaid, impacting beneficiaries financially. The SSA must recover these funds to maintain the program's integrity. Many beneficiaries are caught off guard, facing unexpected financial burdens. Balancing recovery with beneficiary needs is crucial. Understanding overpayments is essential for fairness and support. Social Security overpayments can arise from a confluence of factors, often stemming from a mismatch between the information the SSA has on file and a beneficiary's actual circumstances. One common culprit is reporting errors, which can occur when beneficiaries inadvertently provide inaccurate or incomplete information on their applications or during their benefit redetermination periods. These errors, while often unintentional, can lead to discrepancies in benefit calculations, resulting in overpayments. Another contributing factor is changes in a beneficiary's life circumstances that are not promptly reported to the SSA. Life is dynamic, and events such as marriage, divorce, changes in employment status, or the death of a spouse can all impact Social Security benefits. Failing to notify the SSA about these changes in a timely manner can result in overpayments, as benefits continue to be dispersed based on outdated information. Administrative errors on the part of the SSA can also contribute to overpayments. While the SSA strives for accuracy, human error or system glitches can occur, leading to incorrect benefit calculations or processing errors. These mistakes, though unintentional, can have significant financial repercussions for beneficiaries who receive overpayments as a result. Understanding the multifaceted nature of overpayment causes is essential for both beneficiaries and the SSA to work collaboratively towards prevention and resolution. While overpayments can affect anyone receiving Social Security benefits, certain groups are disproportionately vulnerable to the financial strain of clawbacks. Seniors, particularly those living on fixed incomes, often rely heavily on Social Security for their basic needs. An unexpected demand for repayment can disrupt their carefully budgeted finances, potentially leading to difficult choices between essential expenses like housing, food, and healthcare. Individuals with disabilities who rely on Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, are another vulnerable group. Navigating life with a disability often comes with added expenses, and overpayment clawbacks can exacerbate financial hardships, making it challenging to afford necessary medical care, assistive devices, or accessible housing. For these individuals, even a small reduction in benefits can have a significant impact on their quality of life. Furthermore, low-income families who depend on Social Security survivor benefits or Supplemental Security Income, SSI, are particularly susceptible to the negative consequences of overpayments. These families often operate on tight budgets, and an unexpected reduction in benefits can push them further into financial insecurity, potentially impacting their ability to provide for basic needs like food, shelter, and childcare. Addressing the unique vulnerabilities of these groups is crucial in mitigating the potential harm caused by overpayment clawbacks. Section 5, The Road to Recovery, How the SSA Recoups Overpayments. When the SSA discovers an overpayment, they take steps to recover the funds. The most common method is reducing future benefits. They withhold a portion of monthly payments until repaid. This can create financial strain for those on fixed incomes. The SSA offers hardship waivers for significant financial hardship. Beneficiaries must provide detailed documentation to qualify. Section 6. Navigating financial distress, hardship waivers, and the appeals process. When faced with an overpayment notice, beneficiaries have the right to appeal the decision or request a waiver. Hardship waivers are designed to provide relief for individuals who can prove that repaying the overpayment would cause undue financial hardship. To qualify for a waiver, beneficiaries must demonstrate that they are without fault in causing the overpayment and that repaying it would prevent them from meeting their basic living expenses. The process for requesting a hardship waiver involves submitting a detailed application along with supporting documentation to the SSA. This documentation may include financial statements, proof of income and expenses, and a written statement explaining the circumstances that led to the financial hardship. The SSA reviews each waiver request on a case-by-case basis, considering the specific circumstances of the beneficiary. If a hardship waiver is denied, beneficiaries have the right to appeal the decision. The appeals process allows individuals to present their case to an administrative law judge who will review the evidence and make a determination. Navigating the appeals process can be complex and time-consuming, and seeking assistance from a qualified attorney or advocate is highly recommended. Section 7. Real-life repercussions, the potential impact of clawbacks. The consequences of Social Security overpayment clawbacks can be far-reaching, particularly for vulnerable populations already struggling to make ends meet. Imagine an elderly widow living solely on her Social Security benefits. An overpayment, even a relatively small one, could force her to choose between paying for her medications or putting food on the table. The ripple effects of such a situation can be devastating, impacting her health, well-being, and overall quality of life. Consider a young family relying on survivor benefits after the loss of a parent. An unexpected overpayment notice and subsequent clawback could throw their already fragile finances into disarray. They might struggle to afford childcare, rent, or other essential expenses, potentially jeopardizing their housing stability or their ability to provide a safe and nurturing environment for their children. These hypothetical scenarios underscore the very real human cost of Social Security overpayment clawbacks. While the SSA has a responsibility to recover overpayments, it is imperative that they do so in a manner that minimizes harm to vulnerable beneficiaries. Exploring alternative repayment options, such as extended repayment periods or lower monthly withholding amounts, could help mitigate the financial burden on those who can least afford it. Section 8. Protecting your benefits. Proactive steps to address overpayments. Being proactive is key to protecting your Social Security benefits and avoiding potential overpayment issues. One crucial step is to carefully review all correspondence you receive from the SSA, including your annual benefit statement and any notices related to changes in your benefits. Pay close attention to the accuracy of your personal information and promptly report any discrepancies or changes in your circumstances, such as changes in address, marital status, or work status. Regularly monitoring your benefit payments is another essential practice. Keep track of the amount you receive each month and compare it to your benefit statement. If you notice any discrepancies or believe you may have received an overpayment, contact the SSA immediately to report the issue. Early detection and reporting can help prevent the overpayment from growing larger and potentially minimize the financial impact. Seeking assistance from knowledgeable resources can provide invaluable support in understanding your rights and options. The SSA offers a wealth of information on their website, including resources on overpayments, hardship waivers, and the appeals process. Additionally, nonprofit organizations specializing in Social Security advocacy can offer guidance and support in navigating complex issues related to overpayments. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve: key takeaways and resources. In conclusion, navigating the complexities of Social Security overpayments can be a daunting task. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed about your rights and responsibilities as a beneficiary is crucial. Regularly review your benefit statements, report any changes in your circumstances promptly, and seek clarification from the SSA if you have any questions or concerns. If you receive an overpayment notice, don't panic. Carefully assess your options, including requesting a hardship waiver or appealing the decision if necessary. Seeking assistance from qualified professionals, such as an attorney or advocate specializing in Social Security law, can provide invaluable support and guidance throughout the process. By taking a proactive and informed approach, you can help protect your financial well-being, and navigate the challenges of Social Security overpayments with greater confidence.